Hey, we're out here at Paris, California for the 2010 Pacific Association of Karting race. We're getting ready to race number 1. Tomorrow we have San Diego Karters joining us. Right now to the left of me is the number 37 car of Mark Jordan. Mark, you are getting blistering fast. I know that there was a dip in popularity of that HPV2 class, but not to take from your driving. You're going a lot faster. What is it that's making you so much faster? It looks like you're driving a PRD now, right, as well? So how's that thing feeling?
It feels really, really nice. Just a lot smoother than the HPV. Power band's a lot nicer too.
Yeah, just a friendly car to drive, water cooled. And so, what chassis are you on right now?
I'm on the 2010 EVR. Tony Kart?
Tony Kart.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And your dad is still tuning for you?
Yeah, he is. And Matt Jones at Yamaha of America is also tuning for us.
Matt Jones is an awesome little tuner. He's got a ton of brilliance. He's done a great job with one of our kids growing up. So Mark Jordan, I do see some HPV2 guys showing up. Have you seen a few today?
Yes, I have. They're pretty decent.
Awesome, very good. So today, corner speed, straightaway. How's everything rolling up?
Been bogging a little bit through the mid-corner, but it'll be fixed tomorrow.
And do you think that's an engine issue right now, or do you think that is more in the chassis?
I think it's just more in the chassis right now. It hasn't been set up good all day.
And who is going to be supporting you as far as your motor program?
Yamaha of America is going to be setting up our motors for the whole season.
Fantastic. Again, Matt Jones. Right now, that's the number 37 car. Look for him to be a popular for the championship. Mark Jordan, the 37 car.